AI agents are the most recent feature added to CloudContactAI. They're available for both email and SMS campaigns. You can find either option under their respective tabs on the far right. From here, you can either create an agent, edit an agent, or delete an agent. Anytime you create an agent, it will require a name and an agent behavior. To enable the bot, you will need to head down to the Settings tab and go all the way to the right under General Settings. At the bottom will be a checkbox you need to tick to enable the bot. This will then provide a drop-down with several options for what sort of behavior the bot will display. If you want to use a custom-made bot, you will want to select the bottommost option. You will then be given a drop-down of bots you want to use. From here, just click Save. Depending on the parameters established for the bot will answer to the best of its abilities, customer or contact inquiries, independent of user input.